for organizing this event. It still feels weird, odd, to see na meron tayong event tapos yung mini theater ay hindi puno. Just exactly last year, we had the same celebration, but hanggang dun sa maybe a concern. I don't know if others are concerned with it, pero personally, as I have stayed from the senior executive department simula 2018 until now, parang iba yung pakiramdam na this is the last year of implementation. This is the last time that we will be having events. We barely made half of the mini theater. Pero one of the things that we were concerned doon with Ma'am Mercy ay baka hindi na masaya kasi kaunti na. Pero at least with this initiation from the SBO, napakita natin na somehow hindi pala malungkot kahit maunti. Pwede pa rin maging masaya. For joining us in this special celebration for teachers.
Alam, nakaano pala.
It's actually some sort of a full circle experience for teachers like us to celebrate Teachers Day.
Sasama ka to sa
More than just learning from what we teach, we may have teach you about ano yung ilalagay sa research proposal or how to write a concept paper, ano yung mga marketing strategies.
Because they not only celebrate themselves, but they also...
So,
gusto ko.
pang-abata lang po yung logo. So, each of the teachers will pick a student po na magiging
Sir, ako.
Yan, bagong house and band.
Sayang.
Okay na. Hindi namin balloon. Okay na yan.
Dapat malayo. Ay.
sa drill, tapos sa mini theater.
Okay, let's start. Face. Ang ganda. Hips.
Alam mo ba siya na maliit kasi siya
Shoulders. Knees. Knees. Toes. Face. Hips. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Knees. Toes. Head. Face. Head. Head, face, head, face, head, face, head, face. Shoulder.